do, I do want to introduce our next new Democratic Dutchess County Family Court Judge, Lisa Vernon.
First of all, Terry, thank you so much for those kind words. And honestly, as I look around this room, my heart is just filled with joy to see so many people here to join me as I embark on this endeavor. A few months ago when I met Elisa back in December, I'd been toying with this idea for months and thinking, I don't know, this is not for me, I'm not the one. And I finally spoke to my husband Michael and our two boys, and before we left to go to Florida, I met with Elisa, and I said, I think I want to do this. Not I think, I know I want to do this. And I'm here today. On Monday, I had an opportunity to go to an event, and Nancy Pelosi was a keynote speaker, and she said, have you ever met a candidate who did not say, this is the most important race? So I'm going to borrow from Nancy Pelosi's book and say, this is the most important race. Tongue-in-cheek, but not necessarily, because as Terry stated, this is a great opportunity that we have. We were not slated to have an extra family court judge. Terry advocated, we have this opportunity, so we should not squander it. We need to make sure that the judge that is sitting in family court has the values and the vision for the court that we have. Family court is the court that sees cases for families and children, child support, custody, visitation, juvenile delinquency. What ties all of these cases together is that these families often are in crisis. But if the decisions are made right, with compassion, integrity, and fairness for the litigants, the attorneys, we can help these families navigate out of this crisis to a path of a better life. And at its core, any community is only as strong as their most vulnerable families. So it is imperative that we make sure that we have the right people making decisions about these families. When I'm asked why family court, I say this is a great opportunity for me to take what I've learned, my years at the Attorney General's office as a litigator, combine it with the work I've been doing at the Office of Children and Family Services, and do it here, in my neighborhood, in my community, where my kids are being raised, where their friends are, so that we have a stronger Dutchess County. I love Dutchess. I know we can do this, and I thank you all for being here with me as we march forward to win this important election.